Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about page object model. What it is and how we use that in our automation framework. What are the advantages of it and yeah, we'll discuss everything about page object model in this video. So let's start with the definition of page object model. It is a design pattern used mainly in test automation to make test code clean, reusable, maintainable and scalable. So those are the advantages of using page object model design pattern. So it's a design pattern, it's kind of a design we are using in our framework so that it's easy to clean, reusable, maintainable and scalable. So let's understand that one by one, but before that let's understand how this design looks like. So I will take you to directly to framework. So this is our framework, and this I will explain you what is page object model here in this framework. So this is the project source lab, and inside this project we have created different packages under SSC main Java, like base package, page package and utility package. And under SSC test Java we have created one package, test classes. So let's understand what to write inside the base package. So we have created one class here under base package, that is test base, and inside this test base class we'll write the methods to open the browser, to open the application. So very initial levels of code we will write inside this base class, test base class, and also to close the browser, to open the browser and to close the browser we will write the code that will write that code in the test base. And in the pages, in the page we have different pages for each web page, like login page we will create login page dot java class. Then for card page we have here card page dot java. So all the methods for the from the web page we'll write from login page, all the methods from the login page we will write inside the login page class only. We will not write card page methods inside the login page, so which is not good, right? It's not easy to read. So card page methods we will write in the card page only. So in this source lab is a ecom project, ecom application, right? So that's why all the web pages we have class here, classes here, and we have written code from that classes, from that web pages into these classes. So the format, I will explain you the format of the page here, how it looks. So this is the card page, and first of all I have written here the XPath for the different elements, different web elements. Like this is the cart count, so we are checking the count, like number of products added in the cart. Then app logo, this sauce lab apps logo. Then remove button, if we have to remove any product, then we will click on this remove button. So we have written XPath for all the web elements at the top of the page. Then using this constructor, card page is a constructor, we are using page factory dot init elements driver dot this. We are initializing this whole web elements with the driver. So this is the initialization of all the web elements, and then we will simply write the methods to check the things in from that page. Like here verify the cart count. So what we will do is we will call the web element here cart count, right? Cart count dot get text method will get the text number of elements, number of products added in the cart. So this will give us the no, cart count, and it will return, and when we call this method it will give us this count, right? So we'll directly call this method we will call in the inside the test classes, inside the card page test. So for each web page, this page class we have test class, like card page test, checkout page 1, checkout page 1 test, like that. So we will call the respective methods. So now we will just call the methods from this card page inside this card page test, right? So that it's easy to understand. And okay, so I will explain you now the test classes format. So first of all, this looks very there are many things, right? So it's easy to get confused. Okay, so in the test class what we will do is we will just first of all create the objects of the previously needed classes. So login page, login, so these are the objects, and we will initialize those inside the setup method. This is the before method. This in this method we will just write the previously needed things, and inside the after method we will just driver dot close, and it will close the browser, right? So this is to open the browser, and this is to close the browser, and these are the tests that we are checking. So we have to check the card count, right? So here this is the method to check the card count, verify card count test, right? So that we have written inside the card page. So we will use card the object dot verify card count. So this is the object of the card page, right? We are calling this method, and we are expecting it to be true, right? If those are correct, expected result and the actual result, then it will return as a true. So this is how we are checking the test. So this is the overall format of the test class, and this is whole format of the page object model. And also one more thing is, we have to keep in mind the name of the methods that we are writing here, verify card functionality. So the name also depends on the kind of functionality we are verifying there, like verify menu button, verify products logo. So names also suggest what kind of function, what kind of action that we are doing, or what kind of functionality that we are testing. So this is overall about page object model. So let's understand here. One page is equal to one class, right? Each web page has its own class. Encapsulation, we are doing that inside the page class. Locators are private and exposed via methods. We are keeping our locators as a private. No assertions in page class. In page classes we are just writing uh, methods, right? We are not doing anything. We are testing those inside the test class. We are verifying the results in the test class, right? Then advantages of POM are like reusability. We can call methods from one class in another class by just creating the object. Then easy to maintain, because it's easy to read, like as we have different classes, it's easy to read, easy to clean, scalable for the larger projects, and team friendly. It's yeah, anyone from your team can easy to uh, it's easy for him to go and perform the actions activities needed. And yeah, it's easy to maintain for him as well. Yeah, so this is all about page object model, and how we use that inside our project. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.